I go hop on the bus so we can meet up at your spot. You go and roll one up so we can lay back and smoke up. I trip when I kiss your lips cause you dish us like mimosas. You feel all that I give cause that's just how you're supposed to.
We're doing a scooter day today, and Matt has a theme song introduction for you.
Scooter.
I actually have keys to something, which is scary. It's been a long time since I've driven anything. And there she is, that beautiful black piece there.
We call her Black Beauty.
Black Beauty.
A little walking never hurt anyone, especially when you have an awesome breeze like we do up here. It was a little sweaty in town, and we were in everybody's way, so we just kind of like hopped on a road and got out in the hills. And this is where the exploring begins. Check out this view. So we're gonna, I think, maybe pull out a map really quick while we have a moment that we're pulled over. They're not the most detailed here, but really we just want to get on some roads and see what there is. So as long as there isn't like the death hill that you have to go down as soon as you rent the scooter, like 45% incline, not joking, then I think we'll be okay. Maybe I'll remember even to get the GoPro head mount out. Get some nice videos of the hills as we travel.
Suction cup it to your head.
Ah, that hurts. At least I know I haven't completely lost my sense of navigation, because the first thing I wanted to see this morning was the Anse de Colombier. It's an anchorage that's on the northwest side of St. Barth, so it's supposed to give you pretty good protection from the east. A lot of people that we've been talking to have been anchored there and love it, but the only problem is it's quite the dinghy ride into town, more than our little Mercury 3.3 can handle, because we still haven't fixed the 9.9 yet. Honestly, haven't even looked at it. We've been having too much fun. So got the bike here, and there is a hiking trail that leads up to the top, so hopefully it has great views overlooking the bay. Should be able to see St. Martin next to there, and time to go explore.
Got everything, Orbit?
I think so. Glad I did not wear flip-flops today.
You want to take that hard road? Look at they cut stairs in it.
Steps.
Oh, God. I do think this is a permanent theme. My footwear choices being wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've done worse in sandals before.
Yeah, very good point. Hey, and there's still the ones from the Coral in the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Still surviving.
Who needs Crocs now?
Yeah.
These things are still kicking.
Da-na-na.
But this isn't the top. Oh, you're right there. Maybe we'll put that away for a minute.
Yeah. That's what I get for congratulating myself about my shoe choice.
Yeah. And your ability to get to the top of a hill.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Matt, there's a baby goat. Baby goat, come here. I need to pet you. Oh, that's nice. It's going to show us the way.
Oh, there's more.
Is there? A little bit of a hike, some pretty steep moments there, a few goats, but Anse de Colombier. Kind of wishing we had that outboard fixed right now. It's so calm in here too, and I think that's what I'm the most jealous about, is because we're in a wave pool out there in the main harbor, and this is just dead calm.
There's monohull rocking, so at least
And
that
gorgeous.
makes me feel a little better.
Matt feels a little better that there's a monohull rocking, but
Misery loves company.
maybe take a hike down the beach, but not a bad place to start your day. That right there is the old Rockefeller house, so what about in the guidebook? It does look pretty cool. I'm sure they had an amazing view of both sides. Banana, banana.
Every time, climb anything. It's been what, 40 years since Rocky? Still, I climb stairs, get to the top, Rocky feet.
You're so hardcore. This beach also has tortoises. What's up, guys? Staying cool?
He's a reptile. Hopefully not. Why is he coming at us?
I don't know.
He's in attack mode.
Stop rushing me! Back at the end of the trailhead, and those were some amazing views, almost worth the bike ride or bike rental right there. But we still have a lot of island to see, apparently lots of beaches. We asked, I don't know how many people, what to see on the island, and usually their answer is like so-and-so beach and the airport with the planes landing. So we know that they come in more in the afternoon. We see them from the boat, then it's like every 15 minutes. So I'll make that a stop a little bit later, but right now I either need to get in the water or it to rain on me.
No rain.
I just need to be refreshed, so maybe I'll just get him to buy me a beer. We'll see. It's raining, so I think if I wish for $1 million, I'll get that too. Wasn't hanging on.
Not a good idea.
I'm starting to see why everyone keeps recommending the beaches here, because it seems like every corner we take on every road leads us to another gorgeous beach. This is Lorient, or nice surf behind us, probably some great reefs for snorkeling, cute fishing boats, so this is definitely the island of beaches, and we have about 5 more to hit today, so just a quick stop to look around, and we're going back on the bike.
Very, very pretty bay. We saw it coming up over the mountaintop, the hilltop. The view from high is absolutely incredible with the coral in here and just the way the colors and everything like that, and the way that the shape is of the bay. Kind of a little peninsula over my shoulder here comes out with the island. Lots of surf, obviously you see the windsurfers through here. Absolutely beautiful spot. It's prettier from up above. I mean, it's pretty here right now, but it was prettier up above. So we did take out the drone, flew that over this area. I think got good shots. Very windy, and unfortunately I went downwind first, and trying to come back, it's doing like 1 or 2 miles per hour. Nervous, heart was pumping, thought I was going to lose it.
We're going to be doing a drone hunt today.
Yeah, trying to find it somewhere. At least we were over land the majority of the time.
day. I think it's like Anse de Lorient, which we're told is a nude beach. And so far we think we see 2 maybe naked guys in the water, but everyone else has their clothes on. So the debate is, do we go for a swim now too? We'll see what the people behind us are doing. Yeah. I want to run around naked if we're not supposed to be. It is the nude beach, and we're gonna go for a swim. I'm so happy that we came here. I'll admit, in St. Barth, we normally go to Shell Beach because it's great people watching, but we just wanted to check out the new beach to see what it was like, and the water is amazing. We used to think that the Bahamas had the best water in the world, but this is so clear and the temperature is perfect. It's like refreshing, but it's not too warm and it's not too cold. It's almost like a deprivation tank where you just kind of like sit there and unwind, and probably could stay in the water all afternoon. So
probably mid-80s temperature?
Mid-80s, yeah. So we're just gonna lay out for a little bit, but might not be seeing much more of us St. Barth Day just because this beach is a little too hard to leave right now. So we came for the nudity and we stayed for the water. So we'll have to see how long I let my stomach growl. It's gonna be lunchtime, but I don't wanna leave yet.
Hide my shame.
So shameful.
So shameful.
I am never leaving this island.
Yeah, you are. You're going tomorrow.
I am going tomorrow. But I'm still smitten. I was smitten the first day we came here and checked in and just wandered the hills of Gustavia. Still smitten now. I can't believe we missed out on this our first time around. If I had my way, and I'm sure there's still a lot of great Caribbean to see, but I could spend the next month before our Atlantic crossing just sitting right here and be completely content. It is a wonderful island, so anyone who's written off St. Bart's and not been, come here. It's totally worth it. Having a fantastic lunch at this cool burger joint by the beach, and then we're going to head over to the airport and watch the planes come in because they come in like really, really low, almost crash land. So we heard it's a must-see, and let's say goodbye tomorrow.
One of our last visits for the day was the Gustav III Airport, which is somewhat famous for the planes that come in. Ranked as the third most dangerous airport in the world, it has a very short and narrow landing strip with a large hill including a traffic roundabout at the approach, and ends at the beach of St. Jean Bay. Because of its petite size, the aircrafts coming in must also be very small, carrying 20 passengers or less. It is also said that the pilots must be individually trained and certified to be able to fly in here, having to commit to the landing by the time they reach a certain point of the approach.
I don't even know how the views keep getting better everywhere we go, but they do. We're headed to Governor Harbor, or the last beach on our list, just east of where we are in Gustavia. And you're so high up here, and you can see so far. It's not really clear right now, but just the view is breathtaking. Totally. And we're in somebody's private driveway right now, so we can't stay very long. So I'll just do a quick pan of this, but wow. Yeah, we had to stop. There's no way we couldn't take this in. Well, I think we found where the big money is here in St. Bart's, and that's near Governor's Harbor. There are so many great views coming down from the hilltop there, but the hills are incredibly steep getting down here, that without pulling in about 5 private driveways. Again, couldn't really show you the view, and I don't think I was steady enough to have the camera in my hand as we went, but just, again, another beautiful beach. I can see why this island is so popular for its beaches. Doesn't have the jungles, doesn't have, like, you know, the inland water, the lakes, the rivers, but if you just want a spot to come and unwind and relax, this is definitely the island. It's got a great European, obviously French feel to the towns. People here have been nothing but friendly to us. We just got a couple of free shots with our lunch, like a passion fruit and a lime juice came with our check. Everyone's always super helpful, so yeah, we've kind of fallen in love with St. Bart's, and it's going to be hard to leave tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to find a way to get back here.
That's cool.